Welcome to a quick overview of the Touchpoint OS. My name is Micah. I'm the CEO of Merkaba Technologies, and I am the curator of this system. Let's hop on in because it's going to be real quick. So this is the dashboard of the Touchpoint OS. What is the OS? Why would I get this? You will get this if your pain points are you're losing prospects, you're losing out on great opportunities, whether it's speaking engagements, actual clients, whether it's partnerships that you want to have with someone. You need to place these people somewhere. If you are managing these people on a sticky note of some sort and randomly you run across it, so you reach back out to them, or you're having your social media manage all your conversations, you probably want to take it to another level and actually place it somewhere where you can actually get reminded to reach out to these people and you can keep track of everything you've been talking about with this person. So if you're having those issues, come on over here and let's check this out. So what we have here is a place where you could put all of your leads. So what a lead is basically someone before they decide to work with you, all of those people before they decide to work with you of whatever capacity, whether it's partnerships or clients, they are a lead. And then also another part of this system is the actual meetings that you're having with this person. So you will be able to add a lead very quickly with these quick actions right here, this area right here, and also a quick meeting. You'll be also be able to see a quick overview of the annual revenue that you're going to be that you've converted from these leads. Another thing here is a quick little list of reminders that you can have. See this as sticky notes on your dashboard. You'll be able to see a lead journey area where you can take your leads and take them down to each section throughout the journey that you will be going through. There's multiple different types of views where you can see all of your closed leads, when you closed them, and how much it was for the closing price. And then also you have a monthly widget that quickly shows you basically all the people that you need to reach out to for the month, and also past due people. So those people will also show in a different view for you. So if you need to set a reminder for yourself, which is something I need to do, and try to remember to reach out to that person, they will show up in this view right here. And then here is a widget for the meetings for the week right here. So you'll be able to see your meetings for this whole entire week. You'll be able to click into the Zoom link or be able to go and see who the meeting is with, because their lead profile will be right here. And you can click into that, get that information. You can also see a list view of all of your meetings that you've had, if you would like that list. So here is what a lead profile actually looks like. So here's Kai's. I can open this up a little bit bigger, and I can see all the information about Kai. I can see when I want to reach back out to Kai. I can see where did I find Kai, if they're high priority, their emails, what's the estimated price that they could close as, what's the closing price, what was the actual closing price. I could write down a description of who Kai is. I could put nurture notes. So basically, this is my interactions that I've had with Kai. And now I have a running log of every interaction that I've had with Kai. So this is a good thing to have up while you're talking to the actual person so that you can mark down exactly the conversation. Another thing is that I can see the meetings that I've had with Kai. And then if this was a negotiation meeting, I could easily come down to the negotiation area, click this template. And what's cool is that I can get different types of templates depending on what the meeting is. So for negotiation, what pops up is a offering menu or pricing, because we're in negotiation. So all of my products can show up here, and I can check them off of the ones that they'll be getting, or add on updates or special offers or additional considerations or payment terms, right? So I can quickly get a glimpse of those things and check them off so I can be prepared for my negotiation call, or I can do this while we're negotiating on the call. So each type of meeting has a different type of template, and that's where the bread and butter comes. And then if I'm using an AI note taker, I can paste in that summary into this area, or I can write my agenda really quickly in here, or jot down or capture any quick notes. So this is a quick glimpse in the power of the Touchpoint OS. Really, where the bread and butter and concept of it all are in these templates that you have for the lead tracker and for the meeting tracker, because that's where the real concept and understanding of making sure that you set yourself up for success and you have all of the information ready to go for that person when you're on your calls with them, or just when you're trying to reach back out to them, that you know exactly where you left off and who this person is, and that you have reminders to go back out and reach out to that person. So hopefully this is helpful of getting a quick glimpse of this. And if you have any questions, feel free to pop into our office hours every Tuesday from 1 to 2 p.m. And you will find that information at Merkaba Tech on Instagram, where you will find the Eventbrite where you can sign up for all of those things in the bio link. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope to see you in future office hours. All right, have a good one. Peace.